They have dogs?
Oh,
Okay.
they have a dog.
Gloves for Bacolod cleaning.
You know why? Mahapit ko si
Luisa yan.
Meron din ako doon sa di ba?
Yeah, you have.
Pocket juice for Bill. Power bank.
Wow. What's that?
Mic bag.
Good.
Bacolod Weetable Fiber Biscuits.
Oh.
Seaweed for Marte.
Oh, Marte loves you.
Johnson and Marte, what's this? Granola bites.
Thank you so much. You don't know how much this is needed in this house.
What's that?
Oh, really?
It's like a power bank electric fan.
Uy.
Uy!
Oh, okay.
Cute.
Uy!
Or dalhin to nila sa
Power bank electric fan? It works both ways?
Angkol!
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Angkol.
Ubus na yung aking ganito. Sabon na
Wala
lang
si
nila
This is
ito.
500.
Johnson.
Yeah, 500.
The lady of the house.
ano natin?
For 5,600.
Oh, Gamtech. Ano ba yan?
Sensodyne.
Uy, sarap.
Bacolod.
Is there ano? Oh, wala.
Bacolod. Dito ba niya?
Talagang i-wear mo yan mamaya na ha.
Kung saan ba niya?
Yan yung
Last ba na?
So yung sa inyo, iniwan nyo lang doon sa kanila.
Oo, siyempre.
Pangligo.
Uy,
Pangligo.
okay to ah. Omega 369.
yes, then
I
it's
love
good for
this.
brain power.
Marte Johnson Cafe. Coffee ba si Jack?
Vel with the chocolates.
Coffee siya.
She's gonna eat them all.
Yung mga dog. Yeah,
Ito
Bacolod.
natin, i-ano natin.
Uy!
Kunin natin yung sa kanila.
Father.
Uy! Sino?
Multivitamins. For Bacolod.
Wow!
For the
More
dog.
vitamin
That's
C.
why we love this, the gummies.
For the dog, the so crunchy naman.
Peanut butter. Crunchy.
Project to taste the cookie of the dog.
Yes, you should. You know what happened? I finished 2 bags.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, but it's
You know,
worth it. And
Tita
it's
Mix is supposed to give us 4 bags
Neutrogena cleanser.
of the dog food.
Uy,
But she
that's
consumed
ano pala to?
2 of them.
Tita, Cornicov daw to. Cleanser and Neutrogena.
Yes.
Ano yung peanut butter? Peanut butter?
Yes,
Yeah.
crunchy.
Papa.
Dad, it's natural.
Oh,
Who's Jane?
A picture.
wonderful. Ano to?
Jane.
Picture.
Nicole.
Ay, Vane.
Sandali. Yes, we need that. Palagay natin sa...
More nuts for Tito Alden.
Yee-wee!
Wow.
You're nuts then, you're nuts.
Naughty life.
O, COVID-19 antigen. O.
Ayun.
Wow.
Uy, pa ba yan?
What you brought last time, very helpful talaga. Yun yung mga pinagagamit namin. Yes.
Oo nga, mahal dito. Mga 375 dito, ne.
Ano? Mamaya maubos niyo yan dahil sa
Well.
Kaya nga,
No.
2 months na ako.
Those are for the dog.
What is that, Luisa?
So, there's the
Mahablanca.
Uy!
Woo!
yung...
Bacolod.
Are you gonna try it?
The city of sweets.
Are you going to feed that dog now?